a mega opposition rally in Bihar's Darbhanga. Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi on a bike in the rally in Bihar. Massive opposition shows strength in Darbhanga. Stalin, Tejasvi and Gandhi is at the Bihar rally. That's a big story we're getting in today. We will also be going across to Mosmi Singh, who is in fact in Darbhanga tracking all of those details. But this is the big show of strength by the opposition. MK Stalin, Rahul Gandhi and others at the rally in the state of Bihar in Darbhanga today. The state is poll bound and the opposition is in fact in a show of unity, taking part in this massive rally. This essentially has got to do with Rahul Gandhi's Voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar today. I'm going to go straight across to Mosmi, joining us right now at this point in time from Darbhanga. Pictures coming in of massive opposition, show of unity, show of strength there in Darbhanga. Mosmi, what do you see around you? Tell us more.
So clearly, Sneha, you can see that we are also pillion riding on a bike. We saw Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, on a bike a short while ago. Rahul Gandhi maximizing the reach of his yatra. In fact, attempting to woo the masses with his vote chori pitch. Priyanka Gandhi's second day in a run in this yatra, the last leg you may call it. It's in the Mithila bastion of the NDA, and behind me you can see from bikes to horses to cars, everything in this kind of a gathering or a roadshow of sorts. We'll be seeing MK Stalin right here where we've reached, joined the yatra and thereby trying to amplify the pitch of the opposition allies as far as the vote chori campaign of Rahul Gandhi is concerned. And it's very interesting that you see that behind me that people are joining in with different flags from the RJD to the left, to the VIP party, to the Congress. It's a synergy of sorts. We've seen Rahul Gandhi make sure that he's got all the leaders in the same car, and some sort of pandemonium, or you can say euphoria over Rahul Gandhi reaching out to this entire Darbhanga, Sitamarhi stretch where the BJP and the JDU had maximized its potential in a complete 100 assembly seat in Mithilachal. And right now I can tell you that we are in the second leg of the first half of the yatra, where Mr. Stalin will be joining. He was the one who had pitched for Rahul Gandhi as Prime Minister before 2024 during the Bharat Jodo Yatra. We'll have to wait and see whether he reiterates his old pitch, just like Tejasvi Yadav has said at that point of time a few days back. So it's interesting. Look at the visuals that are coming in from here, and that will actually define what kind of a road fight that Rahul Gandhi has taken up this time round.
Well, absolutely. Mosmi also talked to us about the biggest plank of the opposition this time around.
Right, Sneha, if you can hear me, because
yes,
there's a lot of noise
I
here,
can.
And the opposition is, really banking on this vote chori pitch to in fact mobilize the people of Bihar. Because remember, there have been an array, a slew of promises that have been given by the Nitish Kumar government, the Sushashan Babu. BJP has backed him to the hill. We've seen Prime Minister, and I'll ask Abhishek to show the visuals. We've seen Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah come in this part of the belt of Bihar, which is considered to be politically very sharp, economically backward, struggles to battle floods, and Makhana and March is what is famous here. The Meethi Boli of Mithila is famous, and there you can see some JCBs, dramatics in full swing. So the opposition here consolidating on the vote chori pitch of Rahul Gandhi. We are told that Trinamool Congress, Mamata Banerjee would give this one a miss. for engagements back at her home state. But she also knows that this is a pitch that she would like to bat on as well. And here you can hear the local songs, the entire crowd, swelling up on the streets. Rahul Gandhi, Tejasvi Yadav, Dipankar Bhattacharya. All of a sudden, I see Congress workers in Bihar, which is a matter of very keen surprise and development because, Congress has struggled for the past 30 years in Bihar. Often RJD said that it piggybacks on RJD's successes, but this time has the Congress turned the tables? Tejasvi Yadav, who was supposed to be in the Yatra only in a small stretch, has been there throughout with Rahul Gandhi. So is it going to benefit the RJD more than the Congress? Will it also uplift the Congress's fortunes, or is it mere tokenism? Because the assembly elections is a different ball game, it's a different pitch, different issues prevailing. Next 2 months we'll have to wait and see whether Rahul Gandhi can actually harbor and cash in on the momentum that he started from here.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Mosmi Singh getting in those details, tracking that big story from Darbhanga there.